India's at-home COVID-19 testing kit CoviSelf is all out in the market. Let us understand the basic facts about what is CoviSelf. CoviSelf is priced at INR rupees 250 each, and it is India's first home-based testing kit for COVID-19, has been manufactured by MyLab Discovery Solutions. This is a Pune-based company. Using the kit takes up to 2 minutes, while results take around 15 minutes. Notably, all the people who test positive using this kit, they can be considered true positives with no requirement of repeat testing. Let me also tell you one thing, this kit can be utilized with only those people who are symptomatic individuals who test negative are advised to get tested by the RT-PCR, given that the RATs are likely to miss positive cases at times. How do you use this self-testing kit? So basically it comes with all testing materials, and instruction leaflet is also provided into it, and it is also being told that it is not a biohazard because it has a safety bag with it. So once you procure the kit, download the MyLab app on your mobile phone and fill up the credentials that are required in the app. Users are required to take a nasal swab, not the deep nasopharyngeal swab. To collect the nasal sample, insert the swab 2-3 centimeters inside your nostrils and roll it for 5 times inside each of your nostrils, and be careful that you do not touch the swab at any point of time. This is to maintain hygiene. At the same time, you do not, somehow the test doesn't get compromised. Dip the swab with the collected nasal sample in the pre-filled extraction tuan and pinch the tube at the bottom and spin the swab for around 10 times, making sure the sample has immersed well in the extraction buffer. You can break the swab at the marked breakpoint where it is already given, and then you can discard it. So leaving the sample end of the swab inside the tube, close the tube tightly using the nozzle cap. Now you can press the tube, add 2 drops of antigen buffer mixture into the sample well. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes for results to appear. If both your control line C and test line T appear in the cartridge, the presence of novel coronavirus antigen is confirmed, meaning the result is positive. And if only control line C appears, it means that the coronavirus antigen has not been detected and the result is negative. So it means that the coronavirus, if you can say that you observed, C is not observed, the result is invalid, and you might also need to get tested again. So if results appear after 20 minutes, consider it to be negative. Now these results will be available in the MyLab app, which is centrally connected to the ICMR server, notifying the agency about the results. So basically you have to notify them. With the help of the app, directly your information would be going, directly it would be going to the central government, because now it is all being centralized and all of your information will be quickly collected. This is a very good mechanism. A lot of countries have already done it, but India has its own self-testing kit now. So definitely it's for all those people who feel that they are symptomatic and they feel that they need to, check out if they have COVID or not. I'll quickly like to tell you about the MyLab Discovery Solution. It's basically an Indian biotechnology company that produces molecular diagnostic detection kits in the field of medical diagnostics, drug discovery, biomedical research, and agriculture genomics. It was founded in 2016 and is based in Pune. This is also considered to be one of the greatest success because this is first made in India COVID-19 test kit by the MyLab, and it is also called as DIY. That means do it yourself. Now you do not have to go out and stand probably in queues and check yourself. So basically you can test yourself. This is also whenever you get COVID symptoms, sometimes you get some symptoms and you just think in your head that probably I have COVID, but you do not have it. So you can go and do it yourself now at home, and also to all the people elderly at home, if you feel there are some symptoms to them, you can do that. So thank you so much for checking out this video with us on Vanicademy today. Do like and share our videos on our channel on YouTube, Vanicademy. We are providing personal mentorship program for UPSC and exams like competitive exams like State Public Service Commission. Join us, and you can also contact on our given mobile numbers in the description below. Thank you.